Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix microphone not working on your Samsung phone. Let's get into the methods. Firstly, it's worth quickly checking the physical condition of the microphones on your device. For example, these could be blocked by dust or debris. Also check that your case isn't blocking them. There might be multiple mics on your device, such as the one with the speakers at the bottom, or one on the top or front. Next, we'll check the microphone permissions on your device. This should help if the problem only seems to occur in certain apps. Open the main settings app first and then scroll down and choose apps from the list. Within here, find the app on the list that you want to use the microphone on and tap on it. Now tap on permissions and have a look for the microphone permission and tap on this. It might be in the Not Allowed section. Make sure this is changed to Allowed while using the app. If you don't see the microphone permission in either of the sections, then you could try using the mic within the app to see if this forces the request for permission, which you can then allow. You could also try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app with the problem, as this can then force the permission request when you next open it. Head back to this app's own page in the settings, and if you know that it's just this app with the issue, then try seeing if you can tap on the Force Stop option at the bottom and select this. Also tap on Storage, and then tap on the Clear Cache option at the bottom if you see it, and then confirm this and try out the mic again in the app. We'll now check that the microphone access is enabled within the privacy settings. Open the main settings app again, and then scroll down and choose Security and Privacy. Within here, tap on Privacy, and then find the microphone access option, and make sure this toggle switch is turned on. The next method is to temporarily turn off Bluetooth, which you can do from the Quick Access panel. Swipe down from the very top of the screen twice to access this, then find the Bluetooth button and turn it off. Test your mic with it off. This will help if your phone was connected to a Bluetooth device that has a microphone, such as a headset or earphones. If this did help, then you can disconnect this Bluetooth device from the Bluetooth section of the settings app, or make sure it's not active when you want to use the microphone itself. On the subject of Bluetooth devices, using one could be a workaround to the mic problems. You may also be able to connect a microphone using the USB-C port if you really need to use one. If this mic works, it almost confirms a hardware issue with the built-in microphone. Now would be a good time to restart your phone if you haven't done this already. However, feel free to try this at the end of the video if you are watching this on your Samsung phone. Otherwise, this simple restart could fix the problem. The next method is to quickly test the microphone out in the Voice Recorder app. Head to the app's page and search for Voice Recorder and open this app. Within the app, hit the record button and you will see if the mic is picking up any sound. If it is, it's likely a software problem with certain apps. If you see nothing, it's more likely a hardware fault with the mic. It's worth thinking about any recent changes you've made on your device since the issue appeared. For example, you could have changed some settings or installed new apps. If you think a recent change did cause the issue, then change any settings back and uninstall any apps that might have caused it. The next method is to force stop the Bixby app just in case this is causing the issue with the microphone. In the Settings app, choose Apps from the list again, and then look for Bixby Voice and tap on it. Within here, tap on Force Stop at the bottom if this option is available, and confirm it. Next, it's worth checking for any Android or One UI updates to see if this fixes it. To do this, open the Settings app, and then scroll down and tap on Software Update. Within here, tap on Download and Install, and then confirm the update when you're ready, if there are any available. I'd now recommend searching for microphone on the homepage of the settings to see if there's any more options that you can check. There could be other settings to look for, such as noise suppression, which might be within the accessibility settings that you can try disabling to see if this fixes the mic. If the mic issue is only when recording video, then open the camera app and then find the camera settings, which should be the small cog icon in the top corner. In these settings, look for any microphone settings that you can try changing. For example, in the advanced video options section, you could try with the zoom in mic option on and off. If the microphone still isn't working, you could try resetting your device or starting it in safe mode. However, if nothing's worked so far, this probably won't help, as it's more likely to be a hardware issue with the mic itself, and it might need repairing. So if you can, it might be worth taking it to a repair shop. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Samsung device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.